Oh, that's a banger shot. That's a banger. How are you? My name is McMillan. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a special episode to you. We have a Mazda RX7. It's between 600 and 800 horsepower. We'll find out later in the video. We've got some POVs, we've got some pulls. It should be a great video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these, because I got plenty of other content coming through. We got supercars, JDM cars, whatever you guys want to see. So enjoy the video and I'll see you later. That's my partner, Emily. Hi. You'll see you in other videos. Bye. Those shots here, you know what I mean? Oh fuck, it's on a timer. Alright, that's from last night. Alright, so we got this RX7 today that we're shooting. Look at this fucking thing. This thing is slammed to the fucking max. 800 horsepower, pure weapon of beautifulness. Yeah. We'll hear this thing in a sec, but this thing doesn't fuck around. Got some good photos from this shoot. Good sunset photos. That'd be really nice. Let's get these shots, eh? Very good conditions. Sorry? Very good conditions.
Yeah.
Got that sun.
Far out, it looks so good.
Yeah, it looks clean as, bro.
Alright, well, we won't fluff around.
Yep, well, I was thinking, yeah, so we'll go to Aids.
Aids?
Not Aids Road, sorry. There's like a construction area.
Yep.
And we can go there. Cheers, bro.
You know where the lowdown is in like
listen to that school. That's how long it takes you to put your window.
Oh, this one's done. This one's done. That one's gonna go up faster now.
Yeah. That's your money shot. That's beauty.
I reckon even on this side, and then it's getting the sun hitting it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. That's funny. Perfect. That's it. Beautiful. There we go. Nice. So now we got that out of the shot. These will look really nice once they're edited.
Hey, how you going? You alright? Yeah, I'm alright. What's up?
Look at that. Oh, the sun's dipping away. Dick. Okay. It's gonna lose that sun in a sec, but we got really good light. Probably make it a bit brighter.
I might bring some things over tomorrow. I just haven't had a chance. I haven't had any time today.
What a shot. What a car. With the pop-up headlights look nice. So we're good. My car's gonna kill me. We're gonna take that.
Do you want me to do something with the things down?
Yeah, we'll get some down. It looks cool with it up though.
Yeah, I know.
It looks real nice. Yeah, it's really good lighting, even with the sun going. It's very, like soft lighting's very nice.
Yeah,
It's really good shots. Some banger photos. Nah, JDMs are growing on me. I will say that. The JDMs are growing on me.
I mean, they need to be cool, obviously.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. Like my car, for example, was nothing. If you don't have something special, JDM is just, nah, it's not it for me anymore. Yeah, it's just shit.
We're gonna run over.
You stand next to it, I'll get a photo. Yeah, get on it. Do whatever you want.
I just want to get run over.
There you go. Get these model shots, new Tinder profile.
Huh?
New Tinder profile. That's it.
Car in your Tinder.
Huh? You can't?
No, you can't.
What?
No, girls are disgusted by it.
Oh, really? Oh, is that like that thing on Facebook if the guy's holding a fish in their profile?
Fish or a car,
Fish or a car, eh?
yeah. Doesn't matter what it is.
Doesn't matter what it is. So if you got two Lambos with you, nah, it don't matter, you just cast. It's even worse, is it?
Yeah, just think
You're just a dickhead.
I am.
I'll get you to drop the headlights for me, sir. Thank you. Look at these rims. Squeaky clean.
That Windex effect.
That Windex effect, that's it.
You're going grey on us.
Sorry?
What are you?
Stress.
You shitting me.
No, I got a stress patch, bro.
You take actual?
No, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Fucking everything. My pants. Alright, so we're gonna get this shot. If we can, get the fuck up here. And we'll get this sunset. Look at the sky. The sky's beautiful right now. We'll get this shot. This thing is a weapon. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let's do some fucking off-roading, eh? No snakes for me. So this is half the job. It's not all glamorous. You know what? It might be easier to just walk on this edge. Let's get this. Holy fuck balls! Look at those. Some big spikes. Ninjaing through this mess. I'm fucking bushwalking. So for these shots, yeah. I have no idea. I hope I'm not walking on like a snake. Jesus. My feet aren't even touching the floor. There you go. Some bushwalking under the belt. My feet aren't even hitting the floor, eh? It's like I'm in the snow. Jesus. Keep moving. See what we can do with this tree. I swear I heard some shit. I'm like in this fucking bush, trying to get the money shot. Take that, see how it looks. Get this shot here. There you go, we'll keep going. Whew, it's getting hot. Getting the money shot. It's got like a bit of like smoke in it, it's giving it a red haze. Definitely get those shots there. So let me take a few of these. It is. It's just a bit of traffic to watch out for, and besides that though, very clean.
I almost forgot how good she looks.
Don't take it out enough, obviously.
No, I do not.
Tell you what would be cracker? If they had a pram ramp and this pole wasn't there, and you put it right here with that as the view, that would be absolute cracker of a photo. Yeah, this isn't a bad spot at all, is it? I like that sun. Even this with that nice sky as well. Looks very nice on the camera.
Fuck, I should have brought my digital.
Your camera?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, it would have been good. I love that shot. Love it. That looks more natural, yeah. Maybe even kick both your legs out, because it looks like you're not trying to squat, if that makes sense. Doesn't look natural. That looks better, yeah. Go one leg up.
like this.
Yeah, just like that, yeah. Nice. Let's get this low shot here. Got a nice leading line. Good framing on this shot. Nice. I just want to get detail shot of this wheel. Yeah?
I'd probably do it now.
Yeah.
Because it's way more open. Shoot it from there.
Oh yeah, well look, yeah.
Yeah,
I don't want that truck in it, so we get that shot there, beautiful. But,
see that? She was like coming in hot.
yeah. It's a very moody shot. Yeah, alright, I'll chuck on this. We'll do some videos. It'll be good. Oh, I gotta get the cab shot. Gotta get the cab shot.
The cab shot in this is
The fucking pilot shot in this.
horrendous.
Beautiful.
The interior in this is like mid compared to the exterior.
113 handheld. Come out beauty. Nice as well. Got the lights on. Brake lights look nice. Oh, that's a nice shot. Put your lights back on. Up. Alright, we gotta run. Make sure. Get him in position. Okay. 1 sec. Quickly. No cars. You coming? Turn the wheel. Hold that. Oh, that's a banger shot. That's banger. Do one shot. Get that on cord. The car. Beautiful. And back here. Say that. Say that. Alright. We're good.
So the car is based on a 13B Bridgeport single turbo with an E85 flex fuel system. The front pump, but for the extra power we stick with the E85. And with that whole powertrain, we're looking at about 603 horsepower. That was perfect.
Still got that nice sky.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like a nice dusk.
It is. There you go, there's your dash cam. Oh, that's mad. Oh! Got nothing here, nothing at all. It's all just perfectly.
As it
Look,
should
even
be.
this, yeah, look, even the radio is tilted towards the driver.
Rightfully so.
Sit up. Yeah.
Rightfully so. I like the no cup holders as well. I like.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
You can get cup holders for it. I can't.
That's funny. So thank you everyone for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. If you want to know how I edited these photos, please let me know in the comments below and I can maybe offer presets or a tutorial on how I edited it. Thank you so much. It was a cracker day, so cracker pics, and it turned out real good. If you want to see more and you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. So drop me a like and I'll give you a cookie. Cheers. See you guys.